here now to change the differential fluid on this MDX. This is the drain plug right here, and this is the fill bolt here. So that's the fill bolt here, and this is the drain bolt. So I'm gonna crack the fill bolt first open, and then I'm gonna crack the drain bolt open afterwards. Okay. All right. So in the trunk, you gotta drop the tire. This shows you get the tools here. You just pop out this piece here in the trunk, and then you use this tool. It goes down on top of the socket, so don't think that it won't fit. And then you turn it to drop the tire. So as you drop the tire, that creates some space for you, so you can get down in there, get to what you need to get to. Like this nut here, to get to that. I already broke it loose. This thing is a pain, because what had happened was the tire was sitting here, so there's not enough clearance for the ratchet to sit here because the tire was in the way. So you have to drop the tire and then do this. It's a lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is gonna be a pain to break loose. This took a lot of strength to do, so take your time, have patience. That's the fill bolt up there. Okay, that's the fill bolt up here, and then this is the drain bolt here. So this one too, you just use the same 3/8 socket. You put it inside here, crack this loose. I already broke this loose, so I'm going to drain out the fluid here, the differential fluid, and then finish taking this out so I can fill it back up. And then as it overflows out of the top, then I know it's full, and then I could just put the bolt back in, tighten everything down, and put everything back. So right now I'm just going to drain this out, and then catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so now I'm in the process of a little container to catch the differential fluid. So I'm going to let that drain out, and then refill it back. As you can see, it's a magnet here, has a couple shavings on it. So as that finished draining, I'm going to be using this siphon pump to pump the fluid back in through this bolt hole here. That's what I'll be pumping the fluid back into from here through the jug. So I'll have one part of the siphon pump into the jug, and I'll be pumping it back into until it starts spilling out here from the drain bolt. Once it starts spilling out from the drain bolt, I mean from the fill bowl up here, then I can put the drain plug back in and call it a day, and it'll be good to go. Right. So like I did, I cleaned up the drain plug. Put the drain plug back in. Push the differential fluid to the side. Clean this up. So now I'm gonna tighten down this bolt. Okay, and then start pumping fluid in here. Get the siphon pump. Gonna be using Acura all-wheel drive differential fluid. Okay, so I'm using the siphon pump and pumping it into there. First, let me tighten down this plug. and then I'll catch back the video for you guys. So I used the siphon pump to pump 3 quarts into the differential. So now it's like leaking out. That means that it's full enough. So now I can put the drain bolt back in, and yeah. So now I can put the fill bolt back in and tighten it down. That means that it's high enough. Okay. See it leaking? That's it leaking from the top because it's full. See? So now I can put the plug back on and tighten everything down and we're good to go. Alright. Okay. So now the bolt's back in. It's fully tightened. The fill bolt, bottom bolt, the drain bolt, it's good. Everything is clean. Differential, it's good to go. Good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's how you change your differential fluid. Alright. Peace.